Good morning, guys. Sheesh. Sunday morning. What we're gonna be doing today is a oil change, changing out the belt. Damn. And giving it a wash. I'm gonna wash this car today. Yep. Oh, and I'm gonna put the Nissan logo back on. Damn. So that's what I'll be doing today. I'm gonna go to AutoZone real quick, buy those things. I got them back home. All I went for was some oil, and I just wanted some oil. This guy talked me into some deal there. It was this whole bucket with wipes, shampoo, tire shine sponge, what the fuck is this? Interior cleaner, and a little dirt trap thing for $25. So I'm like, fuck it. Oh, and I also bought the serpentine belt. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm under the car right now. About to take out this little thing for the oil filter. I mean, this is the eBay undershot I had bought that I told you guys about. And here's a Z-Speed Nismo extension. See that? So yeah, this undershot was like $100. So I mean, I think it's totally worth it. And it's way better than OEM, and it comes with this like flat black color. So yeah, take those two screws out, and I have access to the filter and oil. As you can see there, that oil is black. I mean, I'm trying to get in the sunlight, and it's just black. It's a good thing I'm doing this oil change. Alright guys, oil is changed, so that's done. Now what I'll be doing is changing the serpentine belt, because as you can let me show you guys. Yeah, you can see how it's eaten up, because this pulley right here, idler pulley, was stuck. And at first I didn't know the car was, when I would start the car, it would start blowing a hell of smoke after like 30 seconds. And I was so frustrated because I didn't know where the smoke was coming from, until I started seeing like little rubber pieces. And then I literally took this off, and I just sat here looking at this until I noticed that this pulley wasn't spinning. So yeah, I guess that ate up my belt and cost that, so whatever. I bought a brand new belt now. We're gonna change that out, and that's pretty much it. And I'm also gonna wash the car, so yeah. Alright guys, so oil change and serpentine belt has been changed. As you can see there, new belt, fresh oil. Yeah, the engine bay is dirty hell, but I'll leave that for another video. Damn, I also gotta get stock boxes, because these, hell no, bro. But yep, it closes up. The fuck was that? Alright, so now I'm gonna just rinse it, leave this baby clean. My car is washed. That's better. Car is clean. Oil change done. Yeah, now I'm gonna do a little cold start video. Someone asked for a cold start, so I'm gonna get you that cold start right now. cold start is fucking brutal, bro. That shit is loud. It's only test pipes and Tomei. Stock white pipes, stock headers. That thing is fucking loud. Alright guys, so right now I'm getting the car aligned because the alignment is way off. I'll try to show the current graph of what it looks like and what it ends like. But yeah. They have to take it for a test drive. I'm a little scared. Currently getting the car line. He told me I had to change like 2 or 3 other arms in the front. But right now I just need the car line to drive it till at least the weekend. Then I'll change those arms out and get it realigned. But yeah, rebuild title problems. Alright guys, so it's currently after the alignment. I'm at work right now. I'm gonna show you guys the graph before and after. This was after. I gotta change 3 arms in the front that are causing some issues. Also why I have this camera, but I mean it's not serious, but I do have to change them because the car is still pulling a little bit to the left. So yeah, no, is it 3 arms? I gotta change 1. Yeah, it's 3 arms I gotta change. And well, the rear, it's not that. The rear, he told me it's not bad, just camber, but it's nothing. Either way, I just need to line the car for now so I could drive it. And then I'll be doing camber arms in the rear, and I don't know in the front, but yeah. This was the after, and this was the before. Yeah, so this was before. You can see. The after. So I mean, the car still drives pretty straight. It's not making me pull when I'm driving. That's what I mean. It was when I let go of the steering wheel that it's pulling. But it's not that bad. But yeah, that was that. And pretty much it for the video. Also, I did hit 50K today. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next video I'll be doing a little interior detailing, engine bay detail, and I want to find out if I could restore this badge because as you can see it's full of scratches. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed.